wiki.easybib.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybib presents the 10 best phone camera lenses. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Stoon kit will work with most smartphones. It includes a fisheye option and a 2-in-1 lens that can be quickly switched between macro and wide angle. If you're worried about scratches on your screen, the inside of the clip uses slip-resistant silicone padding. It delivers front and rear camera support and is backed by a 12-month warranty. However, the instructions are unhelpful. At number 9, the Orky Aura includes a macro lens with a wide-angle attachment, giving you access to an entire spectrum of shooting possibilities. No matter how you decide your picture should look, it's incredibly easy to set up on your mobile device. The components screw together, and they include a cleaning cloth and a carrying case with it, but it can lead to image distortion. Coming in at number 8 on our list, with the Vinceik 3-in-1 007, you'll get more quality and versatility than you might have expected given its relatively low price. The macro, wide angle and fisheye units are housed in sturdy aluminum rings and are easily interchanged in its C-clamp bracket. The pieces attach magnetically and it's available in black or silver. However, the mounting clip isn't the most durable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easyvid.com. Go there now and search for phone camera lenses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, convert your smartphone into a miniature microscope with the IDO King 60 times. It has an easy-to-use design and features a battery-powered light that illuminates your subjects for enhanced study. It can even help you identify counterfeit currency. It's great for budding biologists and can be used with your eye as well, but it is a bit difficult to focus. Moving up our list to number 6. The Victsing clip-on 3-in-1 can be mounted on your rear-facing camera or on the forward-facing selfie side, so you can snap compelling photographs of your face all day long. It includes macro, wide-angle and fisheye attachments. It comes with a helpful user manual and is great value for the price. However, it won't fit over most cases. Halfway up our list at number 5, the AMIA 3-in-1 HD works with iPhones, Androids and most other smartphones, thanks to its wide-mouth clip mount. This set is a fine choice for taking sweeping shots of open landscapes or city skylines, and its fisheye attachment can create amusingly wacky close-ups. It includes protective lens caps and is a durable aluminum construction. It improves the look of video projects too. At number 4, for iPhone 7 and 8 owners, the olloclip core set is a great asset to have when you want to capture dynamic images. It's double-sided, meaning it enhances both your front and rear cameras at once, and includes interchangeable fisheye, macro and super wide attachments. It also comes with a stand for hands-free use, and offers a 15 times macro magnification. However, it may scratch some finishes. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Look closer at your subjects than you have ever before with the Gonski Titan monocular. It uses telephoto technology to magnify the world around you and is quite ruggedly built. Plus, it features a handy focus wheel so you can get the sharpest results possible. It's a fully waterproof construction that includes a clamp with built-in tripod threads and dual lens caps for protection. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easyvid.com. Go there now and search for phone camera lenses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the camkix 5-in-1 universal kit comes with 5 quick connect lenses, but more importantly, it includes a shutter remote. You can sync the controller over Bluetooth, freeing yourself up to take group snapshots without needing to hold your smartphone. It features a wireless range of up to 30 feet, telephoto and wide-angle pieces, and a case that can be clipped onto a backpack. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Zoe Touch Professional attaches securely to your device with a clip that opens wide enough to accommodate thick phone cases. A layer of soft rubber protects your phone from scratches and damage, while its aluminum and glass construction is durable and reliable. This one includes wide and macro units, and you can pair elements for additional effects. It's designed to minimize glare. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easyvid.com. Go there now and search for phone camera lenses, or simply click beneath this video.